Hi friends, if you want to make a stunning website for storage services, that is hosting services with WHMCS option, this video is for you. In this video we have a great WordPress theme called QLoad. This is QLoad WHMCS Cloud Computing Apps and Server WordPress theme, and it is really a very good theme for cloud computing, apps, server services, hosting services, and all such related websites. So your search going to end for our great WordPress theme for such services, and this is going to be 6th video in this category offering this service website. And there is a video on this channel only showing all 5 good WHMCS and hosting services website WordPress theme, and you can get all these themes on this channel and the connected website. Okay, in this video we are going to install QLoad WordPress theme, and we will also import the demo content, preview the theme options, customization options, and all such basic options. And we will target a demo website like any of these. In fact, QLoad has many demo website, and perfect homepage already pre-built comes with it, and it has homepage 1, 2, 3, and cloud hosting, cloud analytics, and cloud databases, cloud media services, cloud computing, voice services, and you have even healthcare and serverless apps and web hosting services and web domain. So you have great choices to deal with, and you have to select only that which best suits your need, and all are available for you. Okay, great. So this can be our target website or any like this. Okay, so let us start the installation, and we will also import the demo content and discuss all the features available with QLoad WordPress theme. And I have a fresh installation of WordPress, and that is running WordPress latest version, that is 5.8 with 2021 WordPress default theme. And okay, so I got the theme pack as well. The theme pack is loaded with all the packs, like licensing is already here, documentation, and some set of plugins has been given. I'll show you what plugins has been provided in the theme pack. So iconic extensions, plugins, QLoad extension, and WHMCS extensions has been given in the theme pack. So let me delete it. Okay, so the QLoad main theme file and child theme file is here, and WHMCS template has been given separately, as we can use for integration with WHMCS. And I'll show you what is here. So this is the template available in the theme pack. WHMCS templates has been given. 4 templates are here. So QLoad version light, dark, and HR light, and whatever. So these all things are available in the theme pack itself, and we shall be using these files in our installation process. So let us begin the installation. To begin the installation, we have to go in the themes section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose the cloud.zip file. Remember, you have to choose cloud.zip and don't upload the complete folder. This is being the common mistake being done by most of the people. So you have to take care what file you have to upload, and If you are having direct access on your server, you can upload directly to the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. I wish to show you the theme file size. However, both activities of uploading the theme are same. Either you can upload through the server interface or you can use the WordPress interface for uploading theme. Both are same. Don't repeat the process. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this qlod folder in which we got all the theme components. And now we can delete the zip one. It is not required, just consuming the server space. Okay, fine. So come back to the theme section again, and we have qlod as another theme option, and this is qlod version 2.5. qlod brings your site to life with header and video with immersive featured image. Okay, fine, that is fine. So we can activate it now. Okay, so before moving ahead, I must tell you something more about the qlod WordPress theme. qlod WHMCS Cloud Computing Apps and Server WordPress theme has been originally developed by Iconic Design. Okay, Iconic Design are the main developers, I mean actual developers, original developers of this theme, and they are elite author. The theme came in existence in 2020 only, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. So we can consider this theme as the updated according to the latest version of WordPress, and it is a highly advanced cloud and IT technology theme on the theme forest. It has been said by the development team, and it comes with packed out features. Okay, so now we are again on the installed required plugins. Once we activate the theme, we got landed that we need to install certain plugins, and all plugins listed here are marked as required for using the theme in proper manner. And this theme uses Elementor as page builder, and advanced custom fields are also being used, and iconic extensions has been given, and qlod extension is also here. The framework is Redux. It is a great Gutenberg blocks library and framework, it goes without saying. So Redux is a great framework, and Revolution Slider has also been used. So all the great plugins are packed in the theme pack itself, and we have to install all the plugins. So I am choosing to install all 12 plugins in one go, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, don't install plugin in one go. Just install plugins one by one to avoid any error during the installation process. And if you are ordering qlod WordPress theme at WP Themes website along with the hosting plan, by following the link given in the description of this video, you shall be getting the same capacity server as you are watching on the screen. And choosing a adequate and suitable server for WordPress installation is very important part of your website. So please take care. Along with the theme, you have to choose a suitable plan for hosting, and you can take a theme only option at WP Themes website. So choice is yours. And we have installed all set of plugins, and now we can go back to the plugin installer screen and activate all the installed plugins. So this also can be done in a single click. So I am choosing to activate all 12 installed plugins in a single go, and again you can activate plugins one by one to avoid any error. Okay, so all plugins has been installed and activated along with the theme. Simply click on dashboard button to go back to the main screen. Okay, so these are some alerts that are simple one, and we are fine with all set of plugins and the theme itself. We can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and plugin. And this is the basic look of QLoud WordPress theme, and it is, yes, without any demo content. This is why it is looking very clean. And yes, if you want to make a website at your own, I mean, don't want to use the pre-made website like any of these, you can start building your website scratch from here, and you will get all the features and benefits of the theme and the plugin. If you just want to use your wireframe, start building from here. No need to import the demo content, but mostly the developers and people used to like the pre-made website, and after that they used to put their own original contents. So okay, we can target a demo website like any of these. So at this stage we need to import the demo content at the website to make a target website like any of these. So we have to find the demo content importer option, and I'll also show you all these options, what these options brings additional at your website, what features these options brings. So first of all, we need to complete the demo part. So import demo data option is laying under the import demo data, under appearance section. Simply click on import demo data, and yes, it is very simple screen. Okay, so we have only one option to click, import demo data. So simply click on this, and again it is featuring some additional plugins, and we don't need to install these plugins. It can be installed on later stage if it is required. Simply click on continue and import, and the import demo data process has begun. This screen needs your attention and your patience. Do not refresh the page and don't hit the back button. Let the process go smooth and don't hinder the process, don't disturb the process. This is very important part for making a demo website. So wait until you get any next message on this screen. However, you can use another tabs meanwhile to explore more about the QLoud WordPress theme, and you have to wait until the process gets complete. And you will reach on this screen, import complete. Congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site, and let us visit our site, what we got in the demo content. And something good is loading, of course, on the screen. Okay, so great website is here, and we got a very wonderful website and a smooth installation, a smooth import of demo content, and it is all here with all set of home pages. So you can choose any home page for your website, and all home pages are available in this installation only. So you don't need to import further for using another home pages. All are yours. You can choose any for your website. I'll show you the WHMCS option as well. Yes, so website is really very good, and we got all the features in this installation. So it is a great website. Of course, this is QLoud is working very fine for the purpose it has been made, and the presentation of content is really very good. So when we can check the healthcare, just in case you want to use the QLoud for healthcare services, it is here. Okay, so cloud for healthcare and life sciences. Okay, this is basically not exactly for healthcare, this is for healthcare cloud services. Okay, so there might be certain business needing this feature, so this is again wonderful. And let us check the about us page and rest of pages, and this is also very good. Of course, this is a wonderful website theme, and login and sign up option is also here. So we got a wonderful website in this activity, and yes, the option is here. And now it is time to show you what we got additional in this installation. So let us go back to the dashboard. Let us check one by one. So I will skip the default WordPress elements and I'll show you only what we got additional. So our team is additional, so let us check. This is our team options, and we can have a look of internal fields as well. So this is our team option, and you can use this feature for featuring your team at the website again. And portfolio is also new. This can be like similar testimonials, our clients, and pricing plan. This is important, so this is I wish to show you this. Pricing plan is always an integral part, so you can add new pricing plan and you can use these elements for your website. So pricing data, pricing includes options are here, and okay, fine. So good one. It is loading up. My internet is working slow today somehow, but it doesn't matter. So pricing plan is available with the suitable fields. And the pricing data is here, so you can use these fields. Okay, so next is Elementor, and rest of things are common. Custom fields has been given. And now let us jump towards the Qlord options. This is being the theme panel, and this is very important. So let us see what controls we got in this installation for our website. This is global options. So layout option, box or full width and container width can be set from this screen. Body layout, fav icon, you can loader, the preloader which we seen, and back to top. Logo can be changed from this option, and sticky header logo is also here. Header part is again header, we have two options to choose, and logo area can be chosen here. Top header, sticky header, header menu color, and header button. Banner setting, so again this is being the page title, you can see the breadcrumb area. Footer setting has been given, you can use custom footer layouts has been given, footer copyright, top footer options. Sidebar has been given, you can choose left or right sidebar, or pages setting, blog setting, Mailchimp subscribe, contact form, contact information, social media, color attributes, typography, and import export. So all great control is available in the theme panel. So okay, and you have already the WCHCS templates. If you just want to use, you can again install the plugins, the layouts templates, and these are the templates. So If you have decided to use the WHMCS options, so you have to take a separate license for that. It is not included in the theme pack, and yes, the templates has been given as I shown you. So you can use the WHMCS template after taking the license, and you can configure these templates as you need. To the panel of WHMCS, it will come an additional as an additional feature. You have to install the WHMCS plugin and all. So okay, so you can use this theme for the purpose as you need, and you can use on any pre-made websites. And finally, I am going to show you how to edit the content. It is however very simple. This theme uses Elementor, and Elementor editing with Elementor is always simple. So just open the page and click on edit with Elementor, and I'll rather advise you to take a backup of page which you are editing, at least for home page, so that just in case you made any mistake, you can restore the page using the backup. And so if you are making this website, you are already a technical person, and editing on the okay, so it is with Elementor, it's always simple. Just click on the area, and this is the revolution slider area, so you can edit this part in the revolution slider portion, and for rest part you need to click on the area which you want to edit, and you shall be able to edit the content. Like this is fancy box, and you can change the fancy box layout. This has been used as of now. You can simply change to others as you need. Okay, so this is simple and effective, and section title and all contents is here just as you want. What you have to take care that use the same length content as has been given in the demo content, so that you may maintain the design and integrity of the website. Don't use the lengthy text or the text more than such part, so that you may maintain the integrity of website, and everything is here. So you can simply use these sections or remove this section as you need, and you shall be able to making a wonderful website using this theme, I'm sure. And if you are having any specific question regarding this theme, you can ask in the comment section of this video, and you can get in touch with us by following the link given in the description of this video to get the theme, hosting, and pre-installed theme, and all such things are available. So I believe I have shown you enough about this theme, and you shall be creating a great website using this theme. And you are already a subscriber of this channel, I assume. If not, please do subscribe so that we may send you the subscription alerts for new themes, utilities, and plugins. Keep building, keep watching. Thank you.